afternoon session saw an upset with Declan James coming back to win in 3 games against Candra. Pajares' very solid victory over former champion of this event, Mathieu Castagnet. Baptiste Massotti was tested by Charlie Lee, and Adrian Waller managing to hold off Yao of Malaysia. 4 more matches coming up for you this evening.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Ball just comes off the back wall enough for Willstrop to create an angle in this front right-hand corner. Oh, and then the Aussie bow is in full flow.
Cocking the leg as well, PJ.
Oh, yeah, marking his territory there. This is good from Abouelghar.
Another terrific rally.
Punishing rally for Willstrop. There is Canary, sporting the tournament T-shirt.
Down.
There's the error. Good tight, patient work from Willstrop. Another error from the racket of Abouelghar.
Yeah, thoroughly deserved there for Willstrop.
Oh. Chop down on that with some serious bite.
Oh, that was a lovely shot. Beautiful shot, touche from the bullet. Just see Nick Matthew appreciating that shot, congratulating Abouelghar. He's got him. Oh, this is unbelievable. Look at it, Peach. So tight.
Oh, that's two, that's two, that's two, that's two.
The control from James Willstrop, immaculate. Ball control, court craft, shot selection. His movement's terrific. Again, another vintage performance so far by him.
Get that over anybody.
Again, the movement of Willstrop, 38 years of age. There's the error. James Willstrop gets another major victory on the PSA World Tour. Probably his favourite tournament, to be quite honest with you. David
Matthew
Campion
looks absolutely delighted.
His half-brother watching along. That is tremendous. As I say, he's one of the originals. The only original left from playing this event when it was firstly an exhibition event. Well, that was beyond exhibition squash. It was of the highest order. Willstrop winning 2 games to love. We're going to hear from him now with Alan.
Yeah, it's a tidy finish. It's good work initially on the backhand drive from Parker. Ball just coming off the side wall a little bit from Selby, but then the execution of the backhand cross court.
Hanging on every word. I'm hanging. Nice play.
Tight. Yeah, it's good tight work again from Selby.
This is where it could get very tricky for George Parker. He's only got a 1-point lead as we go into the nitty-gritty of this first game.
Yeah, it's pressure.
Out. 11-9. Game to Parker. Parker leads. 1 game to love.
George Parker just managing to squeeze it out.
Yes, terrific line hitting. Good urgency onto the ball there from Parker. Threatening the backhand drop. And then the hold.
Really well played, just clipping it awkwardly. Ball came to him, sitting inside out.
8-all.
Nice adjustment. So locked in at 8-all. 1 game to love deficit for Selby. 1 match ball saved.
It's heavy.
It's out of court.
11-9, match to Parker.
So George Parker takes it between the 2 Englishmen. Gets his first win over Daryl Selby in the best of 3 format as well. 2 games to love. 26 minutes for George Parker. We're going to be hearing from him down at courtside.
Let's hear it again, please, for Lobban.
Yeah, it's very good work.
And out.
Just pushing Lobban deeper and deeper into the front of the court. Good finish in the end. Didn't panic. Tidy work.
It's pretty open, isn't it, PJ?
Yes, a lot of angles.
Down.
A lot of exchanges into the front 2 corners without the work being done to the back of the court first.
5-7.
He's got the reward there. Nice tight work from Lobban. More deep. Joey, it's bouncing short a lot of the time.
Yeah, you need to adjust the height when it's like that. It's playing slightly deader at the moment.
Well, we saw Willstrop do it perfectly.
Ghosal leads. 1 game to love.
Saurav Ghosal, after the quick initial lead, managing to hold off the Scot in the first game in this best of 3 format.
Yeah, it's good work.
And out.
Yeah, it's intriguing
3-5.
at the moment. It's kind of slightly hanging in the balance. Just thinking, just trying to work out tactically what Greg Lobban's kind of plan is.
There, Joey. A little bit tongue-tied.
From the right, please. 8-4. Match to Ghosal. 2 games to love.
Saurav Ghosal finishing it in 2 games. Tidy performance from him, 35 years of age. He's been on the PSA World Tour since he was a teenager. So a long old period. Booking his place into round 2. 27 minutes, 2 games.
Saurav, many congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear it for Saurav Ghosal and Greg Lobban. Quality squash. We'll get into earlier on, but this might be his final.
Down. 7-5. Right side.
It's tight.
And out.
Acknowledged
6-9.
by Soliman.
11-7.
Too good, too tight.
Soliman leads 1 game to love.
So no signs of any issues in the body of Youssef Soliman. Relinquishing this advantage now, and we'll be going into a third and final game.
Down. 9-3.
He's just extending out this second game, Youssef Soliman. I don't think he's really got too many intentions of winning the game, but he'll try and put some more work into the legs of Golan.
7-10. Game ball.
Just resetting here. Golan takes a walk up to the towel.
There we have it, the error coming from Youssef Soliman. He started to put in a little bit more towards the end. It's quite strange. Gave up the ghost for a considerable part of that second game.
Was going to fall for that same trick twice. Far too streetwise, the Spaniard. Yeah, it's well played, just took his space, didn't panic.
This is getting very, very tight now. 1-all, 7-all. Last few points hanging in the balance.
Oh, he had a chance there. Golan was stranded behind him. Didn't want to take the risk of going in short.
Out of court, what a squeeze. Golan battles on, another match ball save. Youssef Soliman goes to take the towel. He's starting to feel this now as well, PJ.
Video referee decision.
Golan's wanting a stroke. This is more of a no-let than a stroke.
Yeah,
the line, the ball's actually gone a bit deeper in the court. It's gone for the man there a little bit, Joey. That is more of a no-let.
There it is. So sadly, the no-let given.
11-9, match to Soliman, 2 games to 1.
Another battle. Soliman just holding off Borja Golan. As I said, 14 years difference in age gap, 56 minutes. The longest match we've had, actually, of today's play. And it's Soliman that takes out Golan, 2 games to 1.